wonder how the economy does work there.
It's really weird. It's kind of fun seeing your picture being like used in the international market.
Which I do anyway. So I'm like, okay, I never did super breakfast.
Dried bike. Dried bike.
Tapos,
So you get all these whole noodles and you just take the service just random casually related like
Pag hindi ka
Oh my
ganong
God.
sanay, medyo
Not
mahirap.
2, but 12.
Medyo mahirap kainin.
and then on the way back.
Hi guys. So kita nyo naman, tapos na tayo. Sobrang sarap. So inaral muna natin kung paano kainin itong bulsa. So ang daming pumupunta rito. Sobra mga foreigner. So ang presyo nito is 120 dong, di ba?
120,000.
120,000 dong.